Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today's video I will make this slider in Elementor website. I will use Elementor widget and some CSS and JavaScript code to make this slider in our website. As you can see, we have some text on the slider, and if we hover on it, the slider will change. So we can make this slide in Elementor, and I will show you how we can make that. So I don't want to waste your time anymore, so let's start our video. So first you need to open your Elementor panel on the website, and we need a container. So let me add the container here. So this is my container, and we need to do some setting here. We need to put that vh 100%, and we need to container width will be full width. And after that we need to add our slider here, so we will use this light. So after that we need to do some edit in the slide here. So first we need to make our height as vh, and we need to put that 100 vh. Then we need to remove our content, as I don't have any content for my slider. Let me delete that. So if you have any content on the slide, you can keep it the text here. As I don't have any content on the slider, so that's why I remove all content here. And we need to do some specific styling. So we need to click custom and make horizontal position left. So this as it is right now. So now we need to add the images. So let me add the image here. So as you can see, our image already set here. We already pick our all image. So right now we have arrow and we have dot here. I don't know, you can see here there is the dot. Yeah, as you can see right now we have 4 dot because we have 4 slides in this slider. So now, like, I don't need this arrow in the slide, so that's why I will pick only dot, and the transition will be fade. So and the transition speed will be 4000, so this way it will look more smooth. So let's see. So yeah, as you can see, the transition is very smooth. So all settings are done in this slide. So now we need to add our custom CSS and JavaScript. So to add the CSS, you can add CSS in this area, or if you want to add the CSS in the container, you can add that as you want. So right now we just need to add our CSS, so I will add the CSS here. So let me paste that, let me publish that and see how it will look. So right now, as you can see, we already have the text on the here, and we don't have the dot here anymore. So here the text. So if you want to change the text size, we can do that in our CSS. For example, as you can see, there is a font size right now is 2.5 gram. So if we make that 1.5, so yeah, as you can see, the text size is very small right now here. And if we want to, like, the spacing between the text, if we want to increase that, as you can see, we have space between dot, we need to increase that. But if you are increasing the size, font size here, it will not work here because we are adding that as a custom CSS. So right now we cannot do that from here. But also the color, if you want to add the color, it will not work because we are adding this color with our custom CSS, so it will not work here anymore. Just to keep the space between this dot, if you want to increase or decrease that, you can do that here. So I think I think 20 pixel will be good. Yeah. So there is also one thing, as you can see, our text is not that much visible in the slide. So what we can do, we can add a little bit like overlay on the image. So if we add a overlay, our text will be more visible. So this way, as you can see, the text, it's more visible and clear. and this is good. So right now, so if you want to add more padding, you can add that here from, like for example right now we have 150. Now as you can see the padding is more here, so I think 150 is good. Let me see that, yeah, the 150 padding is good also here. And let me add that. So if you want to change the font, like font family, you can do that too. Let me go Google Fonts. Let me use this font instead of that. So we need to click code, and here is 3 options: font family, font weight, font size, font style. We need to copy this option, copy that, and we need to add that here. As you can see we have font family, so we need to add that here. So as you can see the font family is changed, and if we make that 900, so as you can see our font family is already changed here. So if we make the update, it will be changed here too. So this way you can change the font family from this button also. So right now here you can do that. So now for example we have 4 slides. What if like we want more slide here? Add first the slide here. Like for example right now we have 5 slides, but if I save that, and you will see there is only 4, right? So we need another option here. So to add another option here, so you need to go to the slide and advanced CSS. Let me increase that. So you need to add another option here. Just copy this line and copy that here and paste after that. And as you can see there is a child number 1 2 3 4. There is 4 2 times, so there is 4 2 times, so we need to add, make it 5 and publish that, and let's see. So now as you can see we have 5 option here, right? So now what we need to change this text. So to change this text you need to go CSS, and as you can see our first option is workstation area. This is the workstation area. Meeting room, this is meeting room. So if you want to change the text you can change that here. I just put work area here, so works area. And there is also reception area. We just delete the reception, yeah. So if you want to change the text you need to change it here. This way you can add another slide and it will be appeared here. So right now everything is added here. Now we just need to add the hover effect. Like when we hover on the text, it will be, the whole slide will be changed. So to do that we need another JavaScript code. Let me add that here. So to add a JavaScript code we need to add HTML code here. So I just add that. So here is our HTML code, and we need the JavaScript code. Let me copy that, and I will provide all necessary code in my video, and also if you don't find the code in the description I will give that to my website, so don't worry. So let me publish that. Our JavaScript code are already added here. So now as you can see when I hover the text it changed. So this is how you can make the slider on your website. And that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, like would mean a lot for me, and don't forget to subscribe Elementor for awesome video like this. And if you have any question or any request for future video, drop them in comment box. I would love to hear from you. And thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Happy building.